You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Come to you all. Starting with the greatest name of Allah, who is most honoring, not for me, not for you, but for the entire universe. Then I like to pay thanks to my master, Sir Shadkar, and my parents make me able to stand in front of you all. And today my captions are simply like that: unutilized resources. Everywhere the example is there. As you take in an education way, in a boxing way, in a sports way, or in a resources over in Pakistan. Balochistan is a very big example over there. And if we see in a geographical way, Balochistan is the biggest example we can see. Balochistan is having everything. In Pakistan, there's as much gold. If you take out all of that gold, the price of gold will decrease in whole world. As much resources are there, but they are not utilizing. As in Balochistan, as there is as much sweet gases over there that you can utilize. Whole over Pakistan can be utilized. But what happens? Balochistan people were not getting those gases. So what the benefit of those resources they are getting? That means there are resources. There is a capability, but what happens? There is nothing what they are doing. There is nothing that they are taking advantage from those resources. If I talk in an education way, that I don't have to go for the someone Nikola Tesla over there, the Einstein over there. Those were the good. Those were also the legend. But one legend is also sitting in front of us. Sir Shadkar. He is also having a power to change the whole Lyari. But what the Lyari people are doing with him? He is teaching from the past 25 years. But what the students from the past 25 years are doing? They don't know. They are not preaching about him. If they really preach, he is just like a biggest and purest example of unutilized resources. He is just having a power to change everybody. He said, those are his words, not my words. He is saying every time to every child, bring me any kind of person, I will change him. I will change him. So what a person needs, this person needs nothing else. Because at that time he is giving his tongue over there that I will change him in that much time. And the Pardesi is also an example over there. After Ayan taunted him, what happened over there? He came to us sir and asked him, and sir said to me, give me only 2 months and then you will see my boy. And everyone is seeing a Pardesi how he is performing. So he is just a pure example of unutilized resources. But what students are doing, they are trying to deceive him, but they are not understanding that after deceiving him, after trying to deceive him, he will not get hurt. He will not lose his value over there. His value will be over there. That what his actual value is over there. But what will happen? Your dreams will get shattered over there. You will feel demotivated over there. That's the thing. That everyone is having a capability of doing something. There's only one thing that is needed. That is to find out that your world where you are weakling in your presentation, where you are weakling in your life, and there are resources everywhere. If you use them in the right way, no one can stop you from growing as much faster than nobody has ever did. That's all for me.